Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of SAMS Town in Las Vegas, and we'll have a bit of a chat about SAMS Town as well. There is history and a legacy to it as well. So SAMS Town, named after Sam Boyd, and obviously Boyd owns SAMS Town, the hotel and casino. And the actual hotel itself is not anywhere near the Vegas Strip. There's Dunkin' Donuts, Subway. There is a little arcade and a theatre down there. Selection of slot machines here, and just to the left as well. It's actually about it's a good few miles away from the Strip itself. If you head down Flamingo from the Strip, you get to Boulder Highway, sometimes referred to as the Boulder Strip. It is on there next to the closed down East Side Cannery, which Boyd also owns. So like I said, it's named after Sam Boyd, and the Killer's second album, Sam's Town, is also named after this hotel. The reason being is because the bassist, Mark, could see the Sam's Town sign from where he used to live. So in the centre of Sam's Town, there is this little Oasis garden waterfall section. It's kind of serene, it's very nice. Just to the right you can see the waterfall, and just down there in the distance there is a food court for some tacos, some Chinese and McDonald's. And if we just go this way, you can see it's decked out like an oasis. It's very reminiscent of things you would see on the Strip as well, but like I said, it's nowhere near the Strip, so I wouldn't recommend trying to walk here. There's a bar in the centre. Obviously it's not open right now. It is early in the morning, so it's not open. But if we look upwards in the atrium, you can see it looks like all these buildings, like a little town. These are all the hotel rooms that you can stay in. So heading back down through the little oasis area, we come back into the casino area. Now, for an off-strip property, the casino I think is very large. It also has an upstairs section which you can get to, but it's mostly things like Keno machines and video poker up there. So just to the left of me there was the lobby where you can check in. It's got TGI Fridays down there as well. Rewards for Boyd just over there. You can see the casino stretches on that way, and that's where we have just come from check-in. Handing back around this way, the casino stretches on down there, and just there is where we came from. That's where we entered the little oasis garden. So let's carry on our journey this way, and funnily enough, it still goes on and on. Now, one thing I do like is that there's bowling here as well. Yeah, there is absolutely bowling. So a little further on, there is a section that you can go down to, go down some escalators, and there is a large bowling alley down there. And as you can see just here, there is TGI Friday. Because the casino slot machine's just here, and as I say, Boyd Rewards is just there. So panning back around this way, remember I said there was casino upstairs? Well, these escalators just here are one of the couple ways that you can get up. So the second floor is where they have those older machines. This is where all the table games are, deep into the casino. And here's some of the, say, newer slot machines at this point. There is the new Huff N More Puff. So although it is not really a tourist casino, it does indeed still have all the newest selection of slots. I think they tend to aim this place at more locals than tourists. Even though you can stay here, it is much more of a locals casino. One thing I've noticed with Sam's Town as well, you always tend to find a lot of security around. So they do take pride in this place. Even outside, as you know, in the parking garage, security there. That's where you get down to the bowling. And over there is one of the exits for parking. Again, plenty of selection of slots. Another exit there out onto not Boulder Highway, I think it's Nellis. Over there is the sports book, quite a large sports book. A little deli as well if you fancy something to eat. And up there is how we get to parking garage 1, meeting rooms as it says. And just over there is Billy Joe's bar. So all in all, Sam's Town is a neat little place to come if you've got a rental. If you are a tourist, and if you're local, then you've probably been here. So yeah, that is Sam's Town. Like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.